This presentation will contain projections and other forward-looking statements regarding future events or our future financial performance. All statements, other than present and historical facts and conditions contained in this presentation, including any statements regarding our future results of operations and financial positions, business strategy, plans, and our objectives for future operations, are forward-looking statements and are only predictions and reflect our current beliefs and expectations with respect to future events and are based on assumptions and subject to risks and uncertainties and subject to change at any time.
Live streaming is on.
Welcome to the June 15th edition of Hammer Live. I'm Eric Levitt, and with me today is Hammer COO, Kristen Vasicek. This month, we're excited to report our third quarter earnings, which featured strong organic growth from our OTT, or over-the-top business segment of our Everything Wireless strategy. Our top-line revenues grew 20.12% quarter over quarter versus 57% for the same quarter in the prior year. Both our hosting and SMS businesses were responsible for the growth. Our SG&A remained consistent quarter over quarter, and the variable component of our cost of goods sold grew relative to income, resulting in positive EBITDA. In the prior quarter, we settled over $4 million in on-balance sheet liabilities associated with our discontinued operations, and we anticipate reducing those balance sheet liabilities substantially in the coming quarters.
Our Everything Wireless strategy for telecommunications business consists of 4 pillars: high-speed fixed wireless, mobility, OTT, and smart city. Since 2018, our revenues have come from the OTT, over-the-top technologies, which includes our SMS business, wholesale voice, carrier hosting, and our retail hosting. Our SMS business has been one of the leaders of this source of growth in the segment. During the quarter, we added several new operators to our platform and continue to expand our relationship with our existing clients. Regulatory changes in the SMS business have been favorable to Hammer subsidiaries, which hold license as nationwide mobile operators. That's MNOs. Our wholesale voice business, under the trade name InStream Communications, has also continued to benefit from changes in the U.S. regulatory environment. InStream is a wholesale voice operator offering high-quality service to the U.S., Israel, and Caribbean markets. The continued tightening in regulations caused multiple exits, reducing competition, which have driven our growth.
We are pleased to announce that we've completed the construction of our first tower site in Huntsville, Alabama, and have begun our marketing efforts in the area. The first tower site will be able to support between 400 and 600 total subscribers, with the capacity to add many more. We're supporting download speeds of up to 100 megabits per second. We continue to leverage our existing highway brand to accelerate customer acquisition. The fixed wireless segment of our Everything Wireless strategy will be a source of revenue for Hammer going forward.
As we move into the final months of our fiscal year, we can look back on a period of multiple accomplishments. Not only were we able to grow the base of our telecommunications segment of our business by almost 60%, but we were also able to successfully re-enter the fixed wireless business and advance our position in the Caribbean market. Today, we would like to thank our employees, suppliers, customers, and investors for their part in what we believe to be a very successful year. Thank you for joining us today on this edition of Hammer Live.